Give me a thumbs up and follow me just for that. Subscribe to me for just for that reason. I promise you guys I'm going to be adding more content. You see my salon suite now is pretty small. I'm going to move into a bigger salon suite. Once I do that, then I definitely will be making way more videos for you guys, way more content. So she's going purple. So anytime you're going a lighter color, and even though purple is a dark color, it's not as dark as black because black is the darkest color on the color chart. So I'm having to lighten her hair. She's doing it ombre, which is what I usually suggest to my clients because when you do ombre, you're leaving some black roots because if you don't do ombre, which means you're leaving black roots. If you don't do ombre, you're gonna a week or two later you're gonna have black roots anyway. So a week or two later you're gonna be ombre anyway. But it's up to the client. But if they ask me, I usually, you know, just recommend that they do the ombre look because in a week or two, your roots are going to be black and you're going to be ombre anyway. And then you're going to be trying to come back in and pay me again to get a color to color the roots. So, I'm always on the side of the client. So all I'm doing here is just putting the product in her hair, lightening it up a little bit so that the purple will show. Now she's totally natural hair. She is totally natural. She's been coming to my salon for many years and she still supports my brand, which my brand has been out here about 15 years, I believe. So I'm just continuing to work my way up the head, starting in the back, working my way forward to the top of her head. And again, I'm only putting it, you see, I'm not putting it on the roots. So even if I was going to put it on the roots, I would wait till the end and put it on the roots. So I'm just working on her right now, working my way up, doing what I do. I'm a licensed stylist here in Georgia. Working my way up, 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 up we go. She's going to end up with purple. And I'm a huge Prince fan, and I don't know who else is, but I am. So she said she's always wanted to color her hair purple. Now, I have colored her hair red before. So one thing about when you lighten your hair, if people have had other color in their hair, it's going to show up when you lighten it. So you can look at her hair and it's totally black. And that's all well and good. You may not see any red, but believe me, those color pigments are still there. Voila. So I lightened it. And then you can see on her ends, you can see it's a little bit of a different color. And that's just from the red. Remember I said I put red in her hair before. So now she wanted like an ombre look. She wasn't real picky. She did send me a picture. One thing about a picture when it comes to color, it gives you an idea or something like that. But when you get a picture, all you have is a picture. You don't have the formulation of the color. You don't have the brand name of the color that was used. So you pretty much did just, kind of guess or kind of get a feel for what color it is. I don't want to say guess, but you can pretty much look at the color. And she just wanted purple. So what I did, she wanted like a couple of different purples. And so I think I put about 3 different colors of purple in her hair. And you can definitely see every time I go over to the color bowl, or not color bowl, but the shampoo bowl, like I'm over there now, I'm just refilling the color bottle with the purple color. So I did like 2 or 3 different purple colors. And you think people would get like colors and stuff. I call them fashion colors because, just unique colors that that you don't see every day. People get these type of colors a lot of times in the spring and summer. So you see that panel right there in the front? You see it's a different color purple. So I'm just going in there, doing what I do, making it do what it do. Boo boo. Making it do what it do, Shawty. So I love it when people trust me with coloring their hair. Because, if someone doesn't have experience with hair color, you can walk out with your hair looking all beautiful. And then if they don't have experience, you can end up with your hair damaged. I mean, color can make your hair fall out in a week or couple of days, like quickly. So what you saw me doing, using a detangle brush, just combing it through just to make sure that it's in there. Okay, now here I am. You see how beautiful it turned out? And so I'm just blow drying here with my favorite blow dryer. I got a dimming brush. With your dimming brush, the dimming brush is very good for blow drying and straightening out natural hair. So now I'm using some Design Essentials heat protection. And my absolute favorite flat iron, the Babyliss. My husband bought me those. He bought me a lot of those irons. They're not cheap either. They're pricey. But they get the job done, so. And you see how her hair is kind of matching her mask? Isn't that cute? So she said she always kind of wanted to color her hair purple. So here we go. It turned out beautiful. Working my way up the head with the press. And my clients, they don't get presses all the time because, you don't want to get heat damage from, having beautiful natural hair and then just pressing it all the time and causing heat damage. So you see me spraying the heat protector. So I'm working my way pressing her hair. Up. Of course, with the Babyliss Pro irons. When you see that blue color of the irons, you know it's Babyliss. Some people pronounce it Babyliss. So see how her mask is kind of matching? Some people pronounce it Baby Bliss. Cool. However you pronounce them. So she got like a couple of them when you see in the front too right there. And they not cheap. And that purple is darker. I can usually do a silk press on somebody. So definitely out in the sun. Like I don't have the best light in my salon suite. Because these irons are so good. So that's a Veda Brilliant. One of my favorite products I've been using since the early 80s. And look at her purple. You see that? So I slowed it down. I put some tight curls in her hair because it was kind of I don't know what kind of day. I think it had rained earlier that day or something like that. Anyway, here I am right here, Swanee, Georgia, North Atlanta. See you soon.